Hi guys, it's Haley. Oh my gosh, I am so excited guys. So I want to tell you all that I got a squishy mystery box in the mail about a month ago, and I am so excited to show you what I got in that mystery box. Guys, I'm gonna have to dig through my bag of squishies to find it though, so let's start digging. And you will see them at the end of this video, guys. So don't worry if you don't see them. I think it's in this bag. My other one should be, yeah, there it is. Okay, guys. Now, Llama Joe. Where's my Llama Joe? There he is. She, whatever. It can be a he or she. Is gonna tell you about what this is. Alright guys, so I'm Llama Joe, as y'all know. Yeah, that's right. I'm Llama Joe, as you all know. I'm Llama Joe, as you all know. Woo, yeah, I'm Llama Joe. Okay, well, I'm gonna have Haley and McKenna show you the squishies that we got. Okay, let's get into it. Haha. Okay, like Llama Joe said, I got 3 little hamsters. Okay, well, this is Jeffy. He is one of my hamsters. And these are all Eye Bloom squishies, guys. I love Eye Bloom squishies. This is Jeff. This is Princess. And Millie the Whale. Woo! Yay! So that's what I got in my squishy mystery box, guys. You know that I'm not just going to show you what I got in my squishy mystery box. There's always at least 2 parts to my video. So the next thing that I will be showing you guys is, let me find it. Okay, guys, everybody on the internet and Twitter and Instagram have been making like this crunchy slime. Well, guys, you don't have to go buy fishbowl beads. Guess what I use, and it's crunchy. Yes. Okay, 7 seconds. I want you to like this video and comment, what do you think I used? Maybe you've seen it. This is your clue. Listen. Okay, 7 seconds is done. As you can see, she held up fingers. McKenna did. It's sequins. If you add in a lot of sequins, you can get the perfect crunch. If you do it right. I didn't add a lot or enough. But guys out there, Slime Squad, if you do want to make crunchy slime, just go buy like 100 packs of sequins. And it'll be the crunchiest thing you've ever felt. So that, guys, is gonna be what the crunchy slime is. I also would like to show you guys, hand me them. Yeah. Is only this one. Put that one up, please. Is this one I did. If you guys can guess what I did. Yes, guys, I have shown this in one of my other videos. So go check that video out. It is called...
It's like homemade.
I don't think I've actually named it yet, guys. I have slow internet at my house. So it's
No Glue Slime Part 2.
Yeah, I think that's it. No, it's Haley and McKenna's Experiments.
It's one of the 2.
Yeah. So just check out our videos, our newest or latest videos. And we have made this slime right here. Whoa. So guys, I think that is going to be it for our video today, guys. And if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up or a heart. And subscribe, spike this video, and I will see you in my next. But before we go, Llama Joe has an announcement. guys, Haley might be getting her own vlog channel. So if you want to check out, if you want to check out her vlog channel, it will probably be M&H Vlogs, okay? And tell your friends, guys. Tell them friends. And I will see you in my next video. I mean, Haley's next video. Bye, guys.